People back home, they've tried this multiple times, it didn't work. We have to start from, I don't think just ordinary protest will change anything. That's my own opinion.
Everything.
Just to get all those fools, all those suckers, get them in one building and put dynamite or grenade in there.
So all of them can go. I support it. I support it. We just do that shit. So
to get it done.
Protesting every day and night. I don't think it's
Nigeria.
But this is our time, man.
I know it's a lot of
nations. Not gonna quit. We're not giving up
until something
we'll get the change.
Each nation
let's be for real. There have been so many. This is our time. There have been so many youths that passed through Nigeria. They didn't do nothing. You think our own youth would do it?
At least we're doing something. The youth didn't do anything before. Youth, they didn't do anything before. Everybody was just tied up like a zombie, just watching everything moving around. But now, youth are stepping up, start talking. At least from talking, things gonna start working.
You can have thugs leading us.
Matter of time, everything's gonna be okay.
You can have thugs leading us.
Bro, you were not there. During my own dad, my dad's time, we were not there, and I'm pretty much sure that they did the same thing.
No, they didn't.
They didn't.
They didn't.
History is there. History is there for you to know. They didn't. They're just like staying over there, just relaxing that thing's gonna be okay. Things gonna be okay when you fight for it. Things is not gonna be okay just like that. Somebody has to fight for it. This beautiful country I'm over here right now, the United States, some people fight for it. Some people do the thing to be this way. When I go to Nigeria, I'm kind of scared to do something, to have fun and other things. All kind of bullshit every time. You can't even potholes everywhere, all the corruption, everything. Can't even imagine, man. Sometimes I cry for that country, man. I know over here I'm okay. I'm trying to retire over there. I want it to make it better.
Yes.
As far as you're real tired, you need your country. That's why we started doing it. It happens. A lot of young people.
I'm ready, but I have to start somewhere though.
That's what they say.
You know what?
If nobody's over there, we're not gonna be like, we're gonna be happy. Just we tried our best, you know, to try to make it work.
As the same way people gather here today because of information.
Yeah.
Another day they're gonna bring out another information. People gonna come because we want that country to be good.
I was. You know, I don't think so, but we're just trying our best to make sure that it's gonna work.
It better work.
It better work. If it doesn't work, we're going over there. Fight. We got to fight.
Know about it.
Keep working on it until we're gonna make it work.
We're gonna bring a winning.
Yeah.